Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. Let's get started. To begin, open up your Instagram app and navigate to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and select Settings and Privacy. Then use the search bar to look for activity or simply ACT or ACTI in short for activity. And just click Show Activity Status, and from here, if yours look like this, if the button is toggled on, it means that you are showing your activity status to your followers. And if you want to change that, just simply toggle the button off. And that's how you can easily manage your activity status on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!